Hey, Tori.
Hey, Robert, how you doing?
I'm good. What's up?
Well, there's this matter that's been really bothering me lately that I wanted to discuss with you.
Sure, what is it?
What's the difference between a carpenter and a joiner?
It's a question of precision.
Well, yeah, I mean, I think that question is pretty precise.
No, what I mean is it depends on the precision of the measurement that you have to make. Well, take the stage flat, for example.
Whoa! Where's the rest of the room?
So the stage flat has been built just like a wall in a wood frame building. So we have studs that run vertically,
Okay.
and we have plates that run horizontally, usually along the top and the bottom.
Okay, but what about this piece above the door there, Robert?
This is called a header.
Okay.
These are also found above windows. So these are all basic parts of frame construction, and carpenters have to measure all of these parts within 1/16 of an inch.
Why 1/16?
Well, here, I'll show you.
Okay.
So when wood is alive, it's full of water, but when we cut it, it dries out and it shrinks. So these two pieces of lumber started out the same exact size.
Whoa, they certainly look like different sizes now.
Well, I've been soaking this one for a couple of days to show what happens when wood soaks up water completely.
So it doesn't look like it changed really lengthwise, but width and height look very different.
So wood expands when it soaks up water, but it usually happens across the grain. It doesn't really change shape that much going along the grain. That's why the frame is built using long pieces of wood that are cut in the direction of the grain, so that the shape doesn't change that much. But it can still vary within 1/16 of an inch as it shrinks and swells. So carpenters have to measure within 1/16 of an inch.
Well, that makes sense. That's as precise as they can go with the wood swelling that much and shrinking that much.
Right.
Okay.
Any other questions?
What's a joiner?
Oh, a joiner. So joiners have to measure wood at an angle. So you see where these two pieces of wood meet at the corner?
Yeah.
So even a small difference in the measurement of the angle would be very visible where the two pieces join.
Well, how small?
Well, even a 1/16 inch of a difference would be very visible. For example, these two pieces have been cut exactly at the correct angle.
Okay.
When we join them together,
They match.
no gap. But these two pieces have been cut with exactly 1/16 inch of a difference.
Okay.
When we join them together,
Oh, whoa, you can see the gap really easily.
so joiners have to be much more precise. They usually measure within 5/1000ths of an inch.
So for joiners, it's less about the moisture in the wood than about the angle.
Yeah, they have to be much more precise in their measurements.
Well, we can calculate just how precise, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's 1/16 of an inch divided by 5/1000ths of an inch equals 12.5.
Yeah, so joiners have to be 12.5 times more precise with their measurements.
Wow. Well, thank you, Robert. That was really interesting.
Now your knowledge of woodworking has swollen.
I hope there are no gaps in my understanding.
You're ready to make the cut.
Don't give me such a measured statement. I don't have any.
Oh. Oh, it's not a house.